Let's understand the financial statements preparation process for companies. If you want to know what is the position of the business, if you want to know whether your business is making profits or not, you have to prepare financial statement. Financial statements are basically two statements, namely the profit and loss statement and balance sheet. Profit and loss statement will tell you whether your business is making profit or loss, and balance sheet will tell you what is the state of affairs of the business. So for companies, there is a section called section 128. This section makes it compulsory or makes it mandatory for companies to prepare their financial statements every year. So every year they have to prepare their financial statements. And there is another section called section 129 of Companies Act 2013. This section basically governs how the financial statements of the company should be prepared. That is basically the final accounts process. This section, that is section 129, governs the final accounts process, and this section states that when companies prepare their profit and loss statement and balance sheet, they should reflect true and fair view of the business. See, this is very important because in the earlier days the focus of preparing the financial statements was true and correct. Sometimes the correct information may not convey what is very critical. So the focus has shifted from true and correct to true and fair. So fair will give you many information so that a very critical analysis and decisions can be taken. So this section 129 says that when companies prepare their financial statement, they should represent true and fair view of the state of affairs of the business. Right? So the very objective of the preparing the financial statement is to enable the readers of the statement to read, understand and take some critical decisions. So when they read, understand and take a decision, the statement which they have used should be perfect, should have complied with all rules and regulations, provisions required for that. Okay, so when we say that financial statement should represent true and fair view of the state of affairs of the business, it is possible only when it complies with the rules and regulations prescribed for preparing the financial statements in this act. Okay, so this means that the companies should comply with accounting standards prescribed in section 133 of the Companies Act. They should comply with those accounting standards, because if they comply with accounting standard, then they are following the generally accepted accounting principles. So the P&L or the profit and loss statement and the balance sheet will represent the true and fair view of the state of affairs of the business. Now, how this financial statement can be prepared? Where is the format? Do we have the format? Yes, format is available in Companies Act. Schedule 3 to the Companies Act prescribes the format for preparing the financial statements. So this Schedule 3 tells you what is the format for preparing the balance sheet. It tells you what is the format for preparing the profit and loss. It is called a statement of profit and loss. It also gives you certain general instructions for preparing this financial statement. Okay, so understand, financial statements have to be prepared every year as per section 128. Section 129 is the governing section for final accounts, and that section states when financial statements are prepared, they should present true and fair view and They should give a clear picture of the state of affairs of the business. They should be in compliance with accounting standard prescribed in section 133, and the format of the financial statement should be as what is given in schedule 3, and it gives you about balance sheet, profit and loss, and also gives you general instructions.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.